movement that impacts this. All right, so the next thing I want to show you is we have butane, but now we have isobutane, and we talked about isomers in our last lab. And so what I want to show you here is we have a chain, and what has happened is this carbon has been swapped out with a middle hydrogen, okay? And so you can see here how we have our 3 carbons, but that 4th one swapped up to here. So now this is called a branched, a chain that has a branch. And so you see our chain of 3, but now we have this branch coming up. Now these branches cause a weaker intermolecular force, and so the bonds are weaker and come apart easier. And this causes it to have a lower boiling point than regular butane. So the longer chain has stronger intermolecular forces, and it takes more energy to break, causing a higher boiling point. So when you have butane and isobutane, the longer chain's going to be stronger, higher boiling point than the branched, which has weaker bonds, and this one has a lower boiling point. And then our last one here is benzene. This has 6 carbons, 6 hydrogen, and it is a ring, as you can see. And take a look at the structural formula, how that works. And as you can see here, this is composed of alternating covalent bonds of a singular bond and a double bond. So we have a single and a double, a single and a double, single and a double, with hydrogen bonds all around. Now, what is really interesting about this is it shares electrons in the center. So each of these carbons has an electron in the center, and they share these, all 6 of these share these electrons in the middle. So it's a set of single bonds between all 6 carbons right in the center. And then I included a link of a video that gives you a visualization of how that works. Okay, so that is it for the experiment aspect. So your results, you're going to answer all of these except for 1B. 1B is plotting a graph, and I'm not going to have you do that. So don't do that one. And then I just wanted to point out that this is a structural formula for the isobutane. If you want to take a closer look at that, it's right there. And that concludes our experiment. Have a good day.